Hi, and welcome to the Lifecentre Network's second video. This video is titled What You'll Find on Our Online Training Platform and How You Can Use It to Support Your Learning Journey. Our training is divided into topics, or what we like to call training modules. And within each training module, there are various chapters which outline the content headings that are included within that training module. So, for example, our Recurring Issues for Survivors training module has chapters that look at flashbacks, anger, guilt and responsibility, dealing with silence and tears, and self-harm. When you buy the Recurring Issues for Survivors training module, you have access to all of those chapters, and the same applies for all our other training modules. You can see all the training modules and their chapters in the course catalogue. To find out how to access the course catalogue, please watch the video above titled How to Access Our Online Training Platform. Each chapter usually consists of a video training, which obviously delivers the content to you, a handout that you can print out and use to either take notes or just to follow along with the content. Some chapters also have exercises or additional printouts, as well as a reading list. All of the exercises have usually been designed so that you can do them alone whilst you're watching the training at home or in another environment. However, some of the exercises will benefit from you doing them alongside somebody else. If you're doing the training in a group setting, then this is really easily organised by just partnering up with somebody else in the group. However, if you're going on this learning journey alone, you may benefit from seeking out some additional support. Within the training platform, we have 8 training modules available, which can be broken down into 3 groups: core classes, additional classes, and specialist classes. Our core classes are what we recommend that everyone does, if they're working or planning to work with survivors, that is. These classes include the trauma module, which looks at what is trauma, and the secondary trauma module, which looks at what is secondary trauma and how do we prevent it. The basic therapeutic skills training module, which looks at all the basic therapeutic skills that you're going to need when coming alongside survivors. And of course, the Recurring Issues for Survivors training module. If you complete all of these modules, you will have taken a great step in equipping yourself to work with survivors. We do have one additional class called Definitions, Myths and Facts, which is for anyone who is new to the topic of rape and sexual abuse, or anyone wanting to refresh their background knowledge. We have 3 specialist classes, which include the male rape module, mental health, and safeguarding children module. These modules will obviously be relevant to some people, but not others. For example, if your project is not working with male survivors or children, it may not be necessary to go through the male rape and safeguarding children modules. Again, you can view the details of these training modules and their various chapters in the course catalogue so that you can get a really good idea for what each one of the courses actually contains and covers. Our training is suitable for all levels. At Lifecentre, all of our trained counsellors go through this training, as well as our helpline volunteers. We frequently have psychologists, sex therapists, family counsellors, survivors themselves, supporters of survivors, project volunteers, missionaries, and a whole host of other people going through our training. You can take the training as slow or as fast as you like. You even have the option to re-watch modules as many times as you like, as your purchases never expires.